Hi everybody, welcome tonight. We're going to start by adding some frames to our page. So I'm going to use the scribbly frames from Lindsay Jane that are on sale tonight, but you can use any frames that you have in your collection. You can come right here to search and type in frame and it will give you everything that you have. And you can select one that you like. So this is one way that you can use frames. Frames can be really fun, but kind of tricky if you're not quite sure exactly how to do it. So I'm going to just select a frame that I would like, and I'm actually going to add 2 of these frames. So I'm going to change my quantity to 2. Click OK, and you'll see my frames will appear on my page. Now, the tricky thing for me sometimes is figuring out exactly this right size of photo to place in these frames. So what I like to do is to add a photo box and just fit it into that frame. It's okay if it overlaps just a little bit because we're going to fix that in a minute. So that pretty much fills my whole frame. Now I'm going to double click to add my photo. And you'll see now it will give me a little crop window of exactly what I'm going to fill in that photo box. So I'm going to just center it right there. And there's my photo. Now the thing that you want to remember to do is to send that photo behind the frame so you really get that frame look. And this is how you do it. Come up here to these buttons and click send object backwards. If it doesn't do anything, that's okay. Keep clicking it and you see that there it went behind that frame. So I will just go ahead and do the same thing again for this box. In case you didn't quite catch all of it, just make the photo box about the size of your frame. Again, it doesn't matter if it's perfect because the frame is going to end up going on top of that photo. Okay, now double click, add your photo, center it where you would like it, and then go ahead and click this button to send behind. Now the other thing you need to remember is if you're going to move this object, I'd like to just draw a big rectangle around both my photo and my frame. That way both of them will be selected and I can move both of them at the same time. So some little frame tips for you. If you have any questions, let me know and we'll move on to our next step.